Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by exporting responses to a sheet because SPSS reads structured tables best. Open responses, send to Google Sheets, then check headers. Make them short, unique, and consistent. Convert multi-selects into separate columns now, otherwise you'll parse text later. Once done, download as CSV so SPSS can ingest cleanly. Make sure date and time formats are uniform and numeric answers contain no stray characters. This reduces import errors and saves time in variable setup. Now import the CSV into SPSS and pay attention to the text import options because wrong types cause analysis errors. Pick comma delimiter and UTF-8 encoding, then assign numeric versus string types. Convert dates using the matching format. Once loaded, immediately rename variables to meaningful short names and set value labels for categorical responses so outputs read clearly. You should also assign a consistent missing value code. This prevents SPSS from treating blanks as valid zeros during statistical tests. Finish by cleaning and validating your data. In variable view, set measurement level for each variable. This influences which tests SPSS enables. Run frequencies for categorical items and descriptives for numeric ones to detect outliers or miscodes, then recode or compute variables as necessary. Once everything checks out, save the dataset as an SPSS. Salve file and create a simple data dictionary so you remember coding decisions. Troubleshooting tip. If values look wrong, reopen the CSV to confirm deletion.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.